Welcome, everyone. I'm Ava, Dr. Lorenzo's AI assistant, and today, I'm here to walk you through one of the most important academic tools you'll use in this course, the rhetorical analysis essay. Now, this isn't your typical opinion paper, and it's certainly not a summary. Instead, rhetorical analysis is about uncovering how a message is constructed, not whether it's true, false, right, or wrong. It's about how an argument is made, not what it argues. As the Writer's Workshop at the University of Illinois explains, rhetorical analysis asks you to examine how an author conveys their message to a particular audience, including their goals, techniques, and overall effectiveness. That means your focus is on strategy, not agreement or disagreement. So, what is rhetorical analysis and what is it not? Unlike a personal response, rhetorical analysis avoids opinionated statements. Phrases like "I believe" or "you can see" should never appear. This isn't a place for your judgment. It's a place for evaluation. You're not summarizing the content, you're analyzing how it was delivered. To do that, you'll need to focus on the three major rhetorical appeals: ethos, pathos, and logos. Let's start with ethos, which deals with the speaker's credibility. Ask yourself, what gives this person authority to speak? Are they using their experience, credentials, or affiliations to gain the audience's trust? Next, we have pathos, the emotional appeal. Does the speaker try to connect through fear, sympathy, hope, or anger? Do they use stories, imagery, or dramatic language to stir the heart? Then we arrive at logos, the logical appeal. This includes facts, statistics, cause and effect reasoning, or clear, structured explanations that appeal to the audience's intellect. In a well-written rhetorical analysis essay, each of these appeals should be explored in its own paragraph, supported by clear evidence and thoughtful analysis. But there's more to consider. Every rhetorical message exists within what's called the rhetorical situation, and understanding this will sharpen your insight. So think about these 5 elements. First, the audience. Who is the message intended for? Second, the speaker. Who is delivering the message and what qualifies them? Third, the purpose. What does the speaker want the audience to do, feel, or believe? Fourth, the exigence, that is, what prompted the speaker to deliver this message right now? And finally, the message itself. What is the speaker actually claiming? Now let's talk structure. Your essay should begin with an introduction that briefly sets the context, introduces the speaker and the situation, and presents your thesis. Then move into the body paragraphs, one for each appeal: ethos, pathos, and logos. Each paragraph should start with a topic sentence, followed by examples from the video or text, and your analysis of how the appeal is working. Finally, write a conclusion that restates your thesis, summarizes your key points, and offers a final comment on the speaker's overall effectiveness. And throughout, remember to write in a formal academic tone. That means, no first-person or second-person language. Instead of "I think" or "you see," use neutral phrasing like "the speaker suggests" or "this strategy appeals to." Also, don't forget to follow APA 7th edition guidelines when citing sources. Even when you're analyzing a video, you need proper in-text citations and a reference list. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick reminders. This is not a summary. It's not about whether you agree with the speaker. It's an evaluation of how the message is crafted. Each body paragraph should focus on a single rhetorical appeal. And yes, APA format is a must. As a final thought, the Writer's Workshop reminds us that rhetorical analysis is an argument about how an author conveys their message to a particular audience. That's the core of your assignment, and your opportunity to develop powerful critical thinking. So take a deep breath, trust your process, and start drafting with purpose. Dr. Lorenzo and I believe in you. And if you need anything, just message him through Canvas. Now go write something insightful and impactful. You've got this.